channel, guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this lace frontal wig to look super natural. Like, it's growing out of my scalp. You can't tell me nothing else. Like, just look at it. Do y'all see that part? And then on the other side, like, I think it looks super natural. The hair was from Nadula, which, if you don't know, they're one of my favorite hair companies, and they're also found on Amazon, and their hair is like, it's like an affordable price. This hair is in their, what is this, water wave, and it's in 12 inches. So I'm 5'5". This is what 12 inches looks like on me. So yeah. What else? If you like the hair and you want the exact same hair, just, you know, click that little description, little link thingy below, and it'll send you right to the hair. But yeah, let's get into how I got this hair to look so natural. Bam. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the bleach and whatever mixture, and I use 40 to volume developer, mixed out with the BW2 bleach. You mix it up until it looks something like what I got there, and then you just spread it on. It's kind of watery actually now I'm looking at it, but anyway, doesn't matter. You're just gonna spread that on to like the knots, which I'm doing there. Come on girl, you got this. Taking forever. Yep, just keep doing that until you know it's all over, or until you know you put as much as you want on it. And then I just keep doing that until the whole thing is covered. And I think I left it on for, how long did I leave it on for? I honestly don't remember. I might have put the time here. I don't, nope, I didn't. I left it on for maybe 15 minutes, and I believe I did that twice. So I bleached the knots twice, and then I rinsed it out. And then, okay, here I am. I'm showing you, what the hell am I showing you right here? Okay, I'm showing you how I plucked the knots, because this is important if you want the hair to look like natural. Come on, focus, focus. Okay, excuse my little nails, my little fingers. But yeah, like, I'm trying to show you, I don't know if you can see it, but like, you see the little black little circle things? Those are the knots. That's what you're trying to like pull. There we go. Just honestly, just watch and you'll understand what I'm trying to do. And make sure you put water, because it will show you like what you're doing. Yeah. And then what am I doing? After you pluck, just be sure to like brush the hair so it's not like stuck. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Just watch. So then I keep doing that until I'm satisfied. Here's another close-up, also a bootlegged close-up, but you pretty much get the point. Yeah, so y'all get the point. I'm back. If it zooms in. Nope, it is. Like, you can't, like, where's the lace? Like, you see my cap, but can you see the lace? I don't think so. Like, where's the lace? I'm gonna come closer. Okay, you can kind of see the lace now. Imagine if I put makeup and all that stuff on it, how more natural it would look like. Do y'all see that? Y'all see that? And these are the baby hairs that I did to match my own. I think I did good. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. It's free. Yeah, bye.